Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor and the topic of this video is inter-thread communication in Java. In simple terminology, the inter-thread communication means when one thread is executing or performing its task, the another thread will be on the waiting state, and once the first thread completes its task, it will send a notification to the second thread, and then the second thread will start executing. So, in this example, the two threads are working together, and these are communicating with each other. So, this is the internal thread communication. Uh, so, to successfully work this internal communication, the three methods are useful, and these methods are wait method, notify method, and notify all method. Basically, these methods are not the methods of a thread class. These are the methods of object class. First method, which is a wait method, when any thread calls for this wait method, the current thread will release its lock, and it will goes into the waiting state. So it will be on a waiting state until the another thread completes its task, or the current thread which lapse its the current time. For example, if we can give a specified amount of time to for a waiting. If we have given the current thread should wait for the 1000 milliseconds, then this thread will start executing again after the 1000 milliseconds of a pause. So it will not depend on the notification of another thread. After the time lapse, it will start executing its task. Then second is a notify method. So this notify method, when is called, the current thread will release its lock, and it will send a notification or wake up the waiting thread, but it will wake a single thread at a time. Whereas the notify all method, when current thread calls for the notify all method, the current thread will release its lock, and all the threads which are in the waiting state will be wake up. Now let's look at the all these methods and the internal communication and why it is important through one example. Let's say we have one class, that is a class A. In this class A, we have one run method. In this run method, we are calculating some totals. For example, in for loop, we are adding the 100 in the total variable, in total that is currently 0, and we are adding 100 in this total and 5 times. Then we have the second class, that is a class B. In this class B, we have main method, and in this main method we have created the object of class A, and we are printing the total through that object. Now here, there are two threads, that is the object of a class A is one thread which is executing, and the main method, it is also a main. When main method is executing, it is a one thread. So in this way, to properly display the total amount of total, the main method should wait until the class A finishes its all calculation. If class A it's calculating the total, and in between the main method starts to print the total value, then it will be a wrong answer. So if thread is still calculating its total, and main method also executed the print line, that is system.out.println total, and it will print a zero value. So that's why the synchronization or internal communication should be needed. So we can achieve that by writing a synchronized block. So in this class B, the system.out.println should be written in the synchronized block, and the thread or object of a class A should be in the waiting state. So when it is in a waiting state, it will it will acquire a lock. And similarly, the class A which has the run method, it also be written inside the synchronized block. So because of, and after this execution of the block, there will be this thread, current thread dot notify method. So when the current class A method block run method is executing or calculating its total, this thread will be on lock state. That means main thread cannot perform the another print statement. and once the calculation is done, it will send notification, and once this notification is received, this main method will print the total. So in this way the thread communicates with each other and perform its task smoothly. Thank you.